Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the recreational vehicle market, the 2025 Prevost Premium Motorhome is the pinnacle of luxury and custom engineering. Constructed on Prevost's sturdy and painstakingly developed chassis, which is well known for its longevity and smooth ride, this motorhome is more than just a means of transportation. It is a mobile estate made for affluent customers. The exterior profile, which frequently has unique paint jobs and painstakingly fitted lighting systems that highlight its premium status, is distinguished by a harmonic fusion of aerodynamic efficiency and regal grace. Large, panoramic windows provide residents with sweeping views of the surrounding countryside, and smoothly integrated slide-out parts increase the interior living area, resulting in an unmatched sense of space. Its strong and elegant powertrain, which usually consists of a high-performance diesel engine mated to an innovative transmission system, sits beneath its elegant bodywork. This guarantees smooth traveling and enough power to handle a variety of terrains. With its independent front suspension and air ride system, the Prevost chassis minimizes road noise and vibrations to produce an exceptionally quiet and smooth ride. Advanced braking systems, stability control, and driver assistance technologies are all integrated since safety is of the utmost importance. The 2025 Prevost Premium Motorhome's interior showcases exquisite features and custom craftsmanship. Customers may create genuinely unique living spaces that suit their personal tastes thanks to the wide range of customization possibilities available to them. Exotic hardwoods, soft leathers, and sumptuous textiles are among the high-end materials used throughout, which contribute to the atmosphere of sophisticated elegance. Modern technology, including sophisticated entertainment systems, all-inclusive climate management, and sophisticated smart home automation, is effortlessly incorporated. These luxury motorhomes are known for their gourmet kitchens, which frequently have large counters, custom cabinetry, and top-of-the-line appliances. Designer fixtures, roomy showers, and fine finishes are just a few of the spa-like features found in lavishly furnished bathrooms. King-size beds, lots of storage, and personal entertainment systems are common features of sleeping accommodations that are built for maximum comfort and peace of mind. Self-sufficiency and continuous comfort while traveling are guaranteed by the integration of advanced power management systems, which include powerful generators and sizable battery banks. A specialized market looking for the utmost in transportable luxury and independence is served by the 2025 Prevost Premium Motorhome. Because of the excellent engineering, custom craftsmanship, and high-quality materials used in its production, it is a major investment. These RVs provide a smooth transition between the conveniences of a luxurious home and the independence of the open road, making them popular for long-distance travel. Possession of a Prevost Premium Motorhome is a testament to one's dedication to unmatched excellence and desire for an absolutely fantastic vacation.